Good evening, ladies and gents. Greg Burghardt here in Rockaway Sustainable Landscaping and Burghardt's Christmas Tradition. Honored to be part of Beach's Town Center's Art Walk and firsthand seeing the ladies with the high boots and the vests are on, and I even have an overcoat dressing for the occasion. We have the privilege to really serve the community and do the maintenance here. Have a lot of ties with the local business owners. And we just love getting out in the community, not really selling anything, just shaking hands and talking, making sure we're really able to serve the community, which, you know, with all the disasters, say Milton and Helen affected so many people, we're just blessed to be part of this community. I can't believe we're getting sweatshirts for all our team this year, and we're gonna put a 15th year. It feels like about maybe 5 or 10, but I guess my hairline's showing probably 15 years, but it's really been a privilege, and you know, just to be out here with all the people and supporting all the local businesses. And a shout out to City of Atlantic Beach, Neptune Beach, and the Beach's Town Center. Do such a marvelous job with all the thriving economy here. If I could ask one thing, and from the bottom of my heart, I believe, I think this holiday season, as it comes upon us, as we're giving out discounts for our Christmas tree lot and talking up our local business, I think everyone this year, more so than any year, should really look to support our local economy and local businesses. So much of that money stays, and you could just see when we had the threat of the storm, or we know that people from down south and up north where we get our Christmas trees have been so affected, but to see people like Ed Marlin from Angie Subs and Donna and Deb and so many other local businesses immediately pack up and go help others, I think that shows the tenacity and the beauty and why I lived here and why my parents and my brother and my sister, once coast to coast, have made this home. I think we all should be proud of ourselves. And again, if I could ask one thing, not just with Rockaway and Burghardt Christmas Tradition, but let's support each other in the local economy, because we know inflation's up. We know it's an election year. We know there's so many factors that are really difficult to be a local business, but I bet you 99% of the local businesses that you would ask would be proud to serve the local community. And that's just part of it. Look for us on Facebook, Instagram, RockawayInc.com. But from the bottom of my heart, let's support the local economy and local businesses this winter. And let's all be thankful that we get to call the beaches our home. It's what it's about. And again, I'm so happy to be here with the community. It's our favorite way to market. So come see us this time or next time, and have blessed holidays. And let's make sure the people down south and up north that were affected by the hurricanes, that we all come together and take care of them.